Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the Brother DS-640 portable document scanner step by step. Whether you just bought this scanner or you're setting it up for the first time, this guide will walk you through everything from unboxing to your first scan. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open the box and check all the components included with your Brother DS-640 scanner. Inside the box, you should find Brother DS-640 portable scanner, USB 3.0 micro cable, quick setup guide, product safety guide, calibration sheet, and warranty card. Remove all protective tape and packaging materials from the scanner before use. The components may vary depending on your country, but these are the standard accessories included in the package. Step 2. Now let's power on the scanner. Take the included USB 3.0 micro cable. Connect one end to the scanner, the other end to your computer. Once connected, the DS-640 scanner powers on automatically. This scanner is powered directly through the USB connection, so no separate power adapter is required. Step 3. Next, we need to install the software. Open your web browser and go to the Brother support website. Download the full driver and software package for your operating system. For Windows, support.brother.com/Windows. For Mac, support.brother.com/Mac. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions, complete the installation. After installation is finished, restart your computer if required. Step 4. Before scanning your documents, make sure your computer is turned on, the scanner is properly connected via USB, and the software installation is completed. This ensures the scanner communicates correctly with your system. Step 5. Now let's perform the first scan. Open the Brother scanning software on your computer, insert your document into the scanner slot, align the paper properly. The scanner will automatically pull the document inside. The scanned file will be sent directly to your computer. You can save the document as PDF, JPEG, or other supported formats. And if you see the orange blinking LED, it may indicate the scanner cover is open or there is a paper jam. Make sure the scanner cover is closed properly and the paper path is clear. Safety tips for best performance: to ensure safe operation, place the scanner on a flat and stable surface. Avoid placing it near water or heat sources. Keep it away from dust and moisture. Do not expose it to direct sunlight. Following these tips will help your scanner work properly for a long time. After setup is complete, try scanning a test document. If the scan appears on your computer successfully, your Brother DS-640 portable scanner is now fully set up and ready to use. And that's it! Your Brother DS-640 portable scanner setup is now complete. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more printer and scanner tutorials. If you face any issues during setup, contact our support team. Our experts will help you resolve your problem quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.